every hand that touches our doors. A moment that brings out everything we've put in. The work of a family whose dedication to quality and responsiveness far exceeds refrigeration. United by a vision to be the premier choice. The premier choice for reliability. A trust that runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The premier choice for experience, treating all who enter with a you first approach, continuing our 6-decade-long tradition. The premier choice for excellence, building a team of industry leaders whose impact can be seen well beyond our walls. The vision we share unites us, bringing together those who are committed to preserving the fresh details of everyday life, always seeking to serve, putting the needs of others before anything else. Respect, integrity, family, humility. 4 words that define us, one vision that inspires us. All coming together for that one invaluable moment. Zero Zone, the responsive company.